All right, you guys got to be careful buying RAM this day, all right? Don't get scammed. This is not real RAM. This is only RGB lighting. I do have 2 slots empty right now, so we're just gonna put this in there and see how it looks. But just want to make sure you guys are aware that this is not a real RAM at all. It's just they do sell it separate, unfortunately. Disclaimer: when you're buying online RAM and it doesn't want to work, it's because it might be fake, and this is fake, right? It's real lighter. You can't really tell the difference because there are some digital stuff, but it is fake. It's not real. It's only RGB, non-DRAM, all right? That's what it tells you, right? Right in front. So the scammers are going to try to erase some of the stuff with alcohol and all sorts of things and, black it out. Just make sure that you're aware about these things. They're circulating right now. People are getting robbed left and right buying these RAMs, all right? So the only reason I got it for just to demonstrate for you guys that be careful. You never know. You could tell. And not only that, these are made through the Chinese manufacturer now these days. They completely erase the stuff, and sometimes you can't return it. eBay's policy, just make sure you read the policy and make sure you read the fine print, because some of these people might say there and you probably missed this part of it, right? So just be careful out there when you're buying this. Right now, we're just going to set this up and we're going to run it out to, I just want to see the RGB lighting because I don't have any RGB lighting on this. So let's go set this up and see how it works. We just inserted our DDR5 fake RAM in here, and just for the RGB lighting to see how it looks. I know I have to clean out my mist right now, but we're just going to test it out first. I got to install some other stuff in here too. So let's test this out as soon as we turn it up. Here's the actual color, if you guys can see it. We could actually manage the colors through the motherboard application, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and do that in a bit right now. But first, we're going to fix something before I end up moving to there. But look how it looks. I'll try to focus. There it goes. It's beautiful. I'm going to interchange all of them together, so we're going to do that.